Okay, so we've met. Now what? Here's what happens next to keep your home buying journey moving forward. So the formal ID and compliance docs, since buying a home is a large financial transaction, we need to verify your ID and complete some required compliance documents. So we'll either scan your ID in person, have you send over photos, or we'll provide a secure link for you to upload them. The real estate board documents, to get officially started, we'll need to send the necessary documents for you to authorize. Don't worry about this, it's quick and easy with electronic signing. Just click the link in your email and you can sign from your phone, tablet, or computer. Mortgage pre-approval if needed. If your financing isn't sorted yet at this point, we'll introduce you to a trusted mortgage professional. We'll start with a simple email introduction, and from there, you and the broker can connect directly to get everything in place, upload all your documents. Firming up your budget. So once your mortgage approval or pre-approval is done, we'll refine your budget so that we make sure that we're targeting the right homes. Home search begins. So we're going to set up an automated search that notifies you when listings that match your criteria. And at the same time, we'll actively search for great options ourselves in person. Home tours. So when we find a great match, we're going to book a home tour as soon as possible so you can see the home in person. The next steps are all about keeping things simple, efficient, and tailored to your needs. We're with you every step of the way. So in the next video, we'll cover what to expect in a property tour. See you in the next one.